While researching for this video, we came to the conclusion that many aspects of Indian cinema definitely have an impact on audiences. Now also it's important to note that maybe the stereotypes of Indian cinema back in the day, for example, an evil mother-in-law or the dowry system, might just highlight what was observed in the masses of the Indian population. However, when you will see such moments now, especially noticing it in contrast with the development and the progression of India both socially and psychologically today, it is inevitable these scenes will mortify you. So let's just go for it. So here is Tried and Refused Productions with 5 extremely regressive and shocking scenes in Bollywood movies. Bahu Ki Awaaz. A courtroom drama in 1985 was Nasruddin Shah, Om Puri and Rakesh Roshan starrer Bahu Ki Awaaz. The movie primarily focuses on the mysterious death of a daughter-in-law, and in the second half really gets interesting as the case develops. But classic Bollywood movies loved Saas Bahu torture. In the first half of the movie, it takes you through the mental and physical mayhem that the new bride goes through, and it doesn't stray away from the basic regressive stereotypes, making a woman feel guilty that she has come empty-handed to a new home, and constantly the mother-in-law making everyday life hell for her. Nothing can be more evil than this scene where the mother-in-law loses her marbles on the bahu.
मैं तो नौकरानी ठहरी ना, मैं आऊंगी तेरे पीछे पीछे, तू तो नहीं खाएगी। दही लाई हूँ तेरे लिए, हरामखोर ले, खा।
100 Din Saas Ke. The most evil and cunning mother-in-law in Indian cinema has to be Lalita Pawar. The actor became known to create absolute havoc in the household and create a nuisance for the bahu to even exist until they meet all her needs. In a quiet 0 to 100 scene, इसका मतलब जब कोई आराम से बात कर रहा है और सडनली तुम मारपीट पे आ जाओ। ललिता पवार ने उसमें पीएचडी करी हुई है। द ग्रैंडसन इज हर फेवरेट क्योंकि वो लड़का है, एंड शी डिटेस्ट द ग्रैंड डॉटर क्योंकि सबको लगता है लड़कियां लायबिलिटी हैं। बेचारी पोती लड्डू मांगती है और देखो भाई क्या रिजल्ट होता है।
रसोई में रोटी और अचार रखा है, जा खा मर।
ये लड्डू चाहिए।
लड्डू चाहिए, जा यहाँ से।
नहीं मैं नहीं जाऊंगी, मुझे लड्डू चाहिए।
लड्डू चाहिए, लड्डू खाएगी।
Ghar Dwar. There is something quite disturbing about how the dowry system was thriving in India and in some parts still is. The 1985 film Ghar Dwar focuses on a family that has limited choices with respect to marriage and the siblings pursuing their education. In one scene, however, as one of the sisters is getting married and they can't find the jewels the bride has to wear, the in-laws become suspicious straight away and say things like, "आपके घर पे कोई मरवर गया है क्या?" and come out with alternative solutions in front of everyone like, मैं कौन सा कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे गहने ही चाहिए, 1 लाख रुपए नखी दे दीजिए। Nothing can get more aggressive and embarrassing than such customs and traditions. Ye Dil is an extremely heart-wrenching film. It takes you through happiness, despair and absolute shock in a matter of minutes. We can clearly say that the film is one of Tushar Kapoor's best work, but the movie showcased some harsh realities that people today definitely cannot digest, especially pertaining to the struggle that Anita's character Vasu goes through, with her father and especially her Bua played by Pratima Kazmi. They want to control her each move, make her not talk to a single boy, and give her the least independence. When the Bua catches Vasu talking to a boy on the phone, she literally beats the crap out of her. Brands her with hot iron and says things no one would imagine any family member to ever say.
माँ के साथ मिलकर रंडी, तूने धक्का दिया मेरे को।
This movie is definitely hard to watch. Jamai Raja. One of my biggest pet peeves in Bollywood movies back in the day or even now is when individuals emotionally blackmail the love interest to like them, be it them cutting themselves or announcing they'll kill themselves unless the partner accepts them. This leaves a sour taste on one, consent of any person getting into a relationship, and then leaves a disastrous impact on audiences to think, oh yeah, ये तो real life में भी चलेगा. In the 1990 film Jamai Raja, Madhuri Dixit falls in love with Anil Kapoor, even though she hardly knows him.
I love you.
फिलहाल तो मैं सिर्फ एक छोटी मोटी नौकरी से प्यार कर सकता हूँ, आपसे नहीं।
Anil Kapoor, a man still trying to find his place in the world, tries to convey that he has no such feelings and needs to focus on getting on his professional feet. So what does Madhuri Dixit do? Jump in the sea to commit suicide because he didn't agree. Anil rescues her and what does he say?
I love you.
वाह, तो feelings change करने का solution देखो. Make someone feel guilty that if you deny her proposal, you'll kill yourself. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.